gamit sa pagiging tatay. And then, sabi ko sa mga mamalik ng trabaho. So, ayusin mo pagiging tatay mo kasi nakakahiya naman sa asawa mo kapag napabayaan mo siya. That simple message really stayed with me until this time. Seeing my brother getting married right now, I really want to share with you what my mother told me before. Sabi ng inay sa akin, Utoy, ang marriage ay hindi isang magic box. And then I said, anong magic box? Sabi ng inay sa akin, sometimes daw, people who are married, they thought that once the problems come in their lives, when they were shaken off with difficulties, they thought that they can just open this magic box, get some gems, get some magic dust, and then they can spill it over, and all those things will get away. Sabi ng inay, Utoy, sabi niya sa akin, ang magic box na sinasabi ko, what you put inside the magic box, what really counts. Sabi niya sa akin, times when you are in trouble, sometimes when difficulties are in front of you, buksan mo yung magic box, pero kailangan puno yan. Kailangan sa pagdaan ng panahon, sa pagdaan ng mga pagsubok, nilalagyan ng magic box para hindi na siya shaking off yung pagsasama. This thing, I really kept it myself, but today, this moment, I share it with my brother Dexter and my mom Judy. She became part of our family. Let's all pray for them, and I also really hope that Mom Judy and Dexter will have it holding together, because married life brings so many difficulties. Raising children is not really an easy one. Let's pray for them, and may God bless them always. Thank you so much, Judy.